The verse of the day.
Psalms 121, verse 1 to 2. It says here in NIV version, I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord and the maker of heaven and earth. So this verse remind me during the time when disaster comes in our place. So I asked the Lord, Lord, this is my heart. This is my prayer to you that Lord, I don't know what to do, but God speak to me that you ask me anything and I will do it. So I when the time that the flood is almost in our place, so I come I go I'm going back to our house and I worship the Lord and I worship him with a loud voice. So I asked him, Lord, my help is from you. So uh we need that the creator has full authority over his creation. So that's why every situation God is in control beyond our help. So he is the control of everything. So during that time when I asked the Lord, Lord, I need help. I need kanang total surrender in this situation because this is the first time we encountered in this place. So I asked God that please take control the flood. So God, I know and I believe God is doing great things. So I'm so thankful, even though we are not reached with the flood, but but my heart is aching due to the people who are suffering for the flood. So my help comes from the Lord who made the heaven and earth, the source of power, because he is the ultimate source in everything, my dear friends. When we intercede, we are always appealing to the ultimate helper, the one who sustains and redeems us. So uh this verse reminds us when our help when we lift our eyes unto him, keep focused on God, not to the problem. So confess our faith. So declaring in our mouth the faith, declaring what will happen in our mouth. That is faith, my dear friends. If we always, Lord, protect us, Lord, the water is will not come to us. So that's faith, my dear friends. So my help comes from the Lord in both declaration and prayer. So declaring in our mouth is one way that releasing our faith. Even you feel not you are not feeling well, and you declare to yourself that Lord, I am healed. So God continue doing healing in your body. So declaration is one way that appealing that your faith is doing great things. So draw strength. Intercession requires endurance and confidence in one of whose hears the answer. So my dear friends, God is always doing great things. Our help is come from him, the maker of heaven and earth. Our help is from the Lord. So everything in our situation right now, my dear friends, we always trust in the Lord and we always relying in his word because his word is true, his word is powerful, and his word is living.